I'm finished! Hooray! With the Pentagon style furniture for Bear Lake. So, 6 months in the making. Sounds like a Mr. Max sale. 6 months in the making, and I saw, the very first thing I ever saw was this motif, this Pentagon. Some guy in Denmark had done it, and then I saw another table that had these edges, and then I just kept going, and pretty soon I ended up with a coffee table, and then we have one stool, and I guess that's a card table or some sort of a side table. Finished! These are some big blocks, 2.5 and 3 inches wide, I think, thick, of maple, and some dimensioned walnut, and some dimensioned maple, and some more dimensioned walnut for these are for the tabletops. I'm going to be cutting the table legs and the stool legs out of this thick maple. This is about, geez, $390 worth of wood. Oh! Here's a big old piece of maple that I'm going to, I've marked up, and I'm going to cut out the legs of the table. I'm not big on selfies, but I spent the last 3 hours trying to get this octagon correct. Actually cutting it and measuring it and using the protractor and the table saw, and I got it. No gaps. So I'm in the middle of filling in gaps. Right now I'm doing walnut. So I'm doing the glue and then the walnut sanding remnants and pushing it down in the cracks, doing a little mixing of it. This is the stool. So we'll see how this ends up. It's always kind of a trial and error thing. I'm just cutting out the raw cherry stalk. I've got to join it and plane it, but that's going to be the shape of the coffee table. And there's the middle support, and the rest of the supports are all sitting over here out of the way. I just thought I'd take a picture. This is some serious clamping going on here. It's every clamp I own. Let's see. Now there's a couple left up there and pipe clamps, but that's got to be 80 to 90% of all my clamps.